Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. I have very fair and sensitive skin, so I always have to be mindful about what products I choose to use. But this body wash from OGX is perfect. It's rosewater and pink sea salt. It does not irritate my skin. And my favorite part is it's got these teeny tiny little beads that gently exfoliate your skin. We always think about exfoliating on our faces, but not our entire body. So I love that this is a quick and easy way to get the best and brightest skin, not just on my face, but my whole body. It's got a great scent. It's very light, definitely hints of rose. If you don't know much about rose water, it is so good for your skin. It really helps to keep it moisturized and it's natural. I think this is a very well-rounded body wash because you're not just cleansing the skin, you're exfoliating it and moisturizing it. And that's my point of view.